Happy birthday, I love you.
Lady, I have a picture of her just like that.
I don't like tacos. It's a video, say happy birthday.
Okay, fine, I won't take a picture of you.
Go to Amanda first.
Amanda,
Say happy birthday.
eating school lunch.
Yeah, it's a miracle. It really is. And it's only because it's Samantha's birthday.
Happy birthday,
So
Sam.
stupid. Frizia,
I'm spending the weekend with you. I don't need to say happy birthday.
I don't want you to say happy birthday. I just want to get you on camera.
This is your face.
No, that's not my face. That's my face.
Wait, what's the face that makes the ugly sound?
No. Christina,
Yeah, me eating like a child.
this is the girl that gets scared every single time that I pretend to throw things at her. Ready? Christina, watch this.
I know.
Oh, you didn't do it! Ah, you did it that time.
You have to get off.
Oh, God. Christina's being a fat ass.
Today is someone's ugly birthday.
Christina? I can't even get it on my finger. You guys are so funny.
Look at this cheese. Man, nasty. What the fuck is